Here are the 7 questions to ponder if you want to buy certain things pero hindi ka pa sure kung bibilin mo siya o hindi. Hi, this is Hilton Asovesa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa subscriber, please support me in this channel and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to share you yung 7 question, okay, na ina-ask ko sa sarili ko kapag may gusto akong bilhin. But before that, let me tell you this story na nakapagparealize sa akin kung gaano siya ka-importante. So before, nung nag-affiliate marketing ako, medyo okay naman yung income. It's not that big, but it's enough for us, me and my wife, uh, to pay our expenses and have a little bit of savings. So, what happened is, okay, I have this dream laptop. So, hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng Apple gadgets. So, gustong-gusto ko talagang makabili nitong MacBook. And dahil nga nakakapag-save na kami, I have this idea na kaya ko na siyang bilhin. Okay, gusto ko na siyang bilhin and parang gusto ko lang mag-canvas. Okay? So, I asked my wife to go with me to the Power Max store. And what happened is, pagpunta ko doon, grabe talagang, nung nahawakan ko yung laptop, parang nai-imagine ko na pag ginagamit ko yon, kapag nagko-close ako ng deal gamit yon, kapag may mga ka-business meeting ako. And I really want to buy that laptop. Even I don't have enough money. I asked my wife na, sige, utangin na natin to, i-home credit na natin to. Di ba? So, buti na lang, no? Papayag na sana yung wife ko na kunin namin kasi nga, okay naman eh. Kaya namang bayaran. Kasi sige, uutangin na sana namin yon dahil nung nahawakan ko, gusto ko na talaga siya. So, buti na lang, yung wife ko, hindi niya dala yung card niya, hindi rin niya dala yung ID ko. So, in short, wala akong pangkuha. Hindi namin siya makuha that day. Pero kung meron kaming dala nun, for sure nakuha namin yan. Okay, so nawala yung so hindi ko nabili yung impulse ko, hindi siya nabili agad. Pag uwi ng bahay, nag-compute ako. Okay? Nag-compute ako and good news. Kung nabili namin yon, wala kaming pambili ng pagkain for the rest of, I think it's 6 months kukulangin kasi hindi talaga siya aabot. Okay? And I realized na it is super important for us to really think twice, thrice, or even 10 times kung may gusto tayong bilhin, especially if we are not earning enough. Especially kung sakto lang naman talaga or hindi ganun kalaki yung kinikita natin. And itong mga questions na to, ito yung lagi kong sinasandalan ngayon whenever I want to buy new things. And I hope these questions will help you to, if you want to decide to buy new things, okay, even kahit ano pa yan. Okay, number 1 question to ask yourself is, can I afford it? Okay, meron ka bang enough funds for that? So before I heard this, di ko maalala kung sino nagsabi, pero sabi niya, at least meron ka daw na pera 3 times nung presyo nung gusto mong bilhin. Okay? Yung iba nga 10 times eh. Pero siya at least 3 times daw. So, meron ka ba nun? Okay? Kaya mo ba siyang bilhin? Or, katulad ko ikaw, na dahil sa impulse ko, gusto ko nang kahit wala pa akong pera for that, gusto ko na siyang bilhin, gusto ko siyang utangin. Okay? Maybe that thing is not bad. Like, if you will use it in a business na kunwari, sakto yung monthly payment and then, kunwari, kukuha kang kotse and then yung payment monthly is 20k and then igagrab mo siya para magpasok ng 30k, that's good. Okay, pero kung hindi naman siya ganon, think again. Kaya mo ba siyang bayaran? Do you have enough fund? Meron ka bang pera for that? Okay? Ngayon, kung nakapasa siya, sige. Sa first question, yes. Pasado. Next question is, do I need it? Minsan doon ako sumasabi. No? So, tithink ako, bakit ba gusto ko siyang bilhin? Kailangan ko ba talaga yon? Kasi most people, especially here in the Philippines, buy things they don't need using the money they don't have to impress the people they don't like. Okay, usong-uso yan sa amin sa probinsya before. Like, yung kapitbahay namin bumiling bagong TV. Di ba? Kahit bago yung TV nyo, kasi since hindi ka papayag, iinggit. Gusto mo lang silang inggitin dahil galit na galit ka sa kanya, bibili ka ng mas malaking TV. Kahit yung TV nyo gumagana pa. Parang ganon. Pero wala kang pambili, syempre, uutangin. That's why, it is important for us to ask, do we need that thing na gusto nating bilhin? Another question to ponder is, so sige, yes, next, kung no pa lang sa next question, so unang question, wag mo nang bilhin. But let's say, yes, I can afford it. Next question, yes, I need it. The next question is, do you need it now? Super urgent na ba siya? Super important na ba to? Okay, so, parang last year, I asked my wife, Mimi, gusto kong bumili ng tripod kasi mag-start ako mag-vlog. Okay? So, sabi niya, kailangan mo ba talaga yon? Oh, kailangan ko yon. So, binili ko. Unfortunately, wala pa akong camera. Ay, wala akong magamit na camera. Wala akong maayos na. So, ibig sabihin, yes, I need tripod if I will make content like this. Pero since wala pa akong camera, I don't need that time. Ngayon ko lang siya nagagamit. Pero before, naka-stock lang talaga yun. Sayang lang. So, ask again yourself. Tanongin mo yung sarili mo kung kailangan mo na ba siya ngayon. Okay? Ngayon, kung yes pa rin yung sagot mo, yes, I can afford it. Yes, I need it. Yes, I need it now. So, dun tayo papasok sa next question. The next question is it the best deal? Okay? My wife and I have friends na whenever they want something, hindi na sila naghahanap ng iba't ibang deal. Kung ano yung unang makita nila, yun agad yung kukunin nila. Okay? And sometimes, 'di ba, pag ako yung nagse-search, ang dami ko nakikita, grabe ang mura naman ito. So one time, it was, I think, years back ago, gusto kong bumili ng laptop. So since wala akong budget, I want to buy second-hand laptop. Okay? And what happened is, medyo malit lang yung budget ko. So ang tagal ko, everyday, ako nagtitingin sa Facebook Marketplace ng mabibili na second-hand na laptop. And I think it's after a week, may nakita akong isang sulit na deal. Okay? Like, a 9 months use, laptop. Yung brand new niya is 55,000. Binibenta lang siya ng 17K. 18K. Okay, kasi, kung dun ako sa kanila pupunta, ayan, mga ganun lang yung price, 17. Pero since gusto ko mag-meet kami halfway, nalagdagan ng 1,000. But it's not a bad deal. Okay? Because sobrang sulit and sobrang ganda ng laptop na yan. And tayo, dapat titingin-tingin tayo, is it the best deal? Meron ba siyang discount? Ito na ba yung sale? Okay, is it the best deal? So, yeah, let's assume na na-ask mo sarili mo isa-isa doon every time you buy that. So, nag-yes ka na, yes, you can afford it. Nag-yes ka na, you need it now. You have the best deal. Okay? Here's the next question. Dito medyo, paano na tayo ng paano? Palalim na ng palalim yung question. Does your authorities agree? Okay, if ako, does my wife agreed? Pumayag ba siya? Kasi kung hindi siya pumayag, hindi ko yan bibilin. Okay? So, dapat na pag-uusapan kung if you're a girl, if you are a wife and you have husband, does your husband approve? Kasi magkaiba yung role ng wife and husband. And if you're single, does your parents agreed or approve? Kasi may wisdom ang authority. May wisdom yung mga tao na pinlace ni God over us. That's why it is important to ask them because yung mga certain perspective na pwedeng makakatulong ng malaki. I always thank my wife for saving me many times from headache. Because I want to buy many things and talagang minsan hindi siya nag-agree. So, hindi ko talaga binibili. Okay? Kapag nag-agree siya, ayan, may peace ako. Okay? So, let's say, yeah, your wife agree, your husband agreed, approve, your authority agree. Okay? So, kung makakapasa sa next question is, have you prayed about it? Ayan. Pinag-pray mo ba siya? Nag-ask ka ba ng wisdom kay Lord? Okay? Na, kasi sometimes, katulad ko, masyadong impulsive buyer. Yes, I want that, pero, may mga things ako na, gusto ko laging pinag-pray. Okay? Kasi nga, every spending decision is a spiritual decision. So, we should always ask the Holy Spirit to guide us whenever we want to spend and to buy something new. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-importanting question. Okay? And last question is, will it glorify God? If not, don't buy it. Kasi, everything we do should reflect our God, His love, and it should be glorifying to Him. That's why it is important to ponder on this question. And believe me, kapag yes ang sagot mo sa lahat ng to, peace, okay, yung pagbili mo nung bagay na yon. Wala kang duda, hindi ka mag-second thought, hindi ka manghihinayang. Okay? Again, can you afford it? Do you need it? Okay? Do you need it now? Is it the best deal? Does your authorities agree or approve? Okay? Have you prayed about it? And will it glorify God? So, yun yung 7 questions na ginagamit ko, especially to stop my impulse buying and to make wise decision on spending the money that God entrusted to me. So, yun lang. I hope meron kang natutunan. And if you find this helpful, please share it to your friends na alam mong makakatulong to. So, I hope that this help you. God bless and see you. Bye-bye.